Our equipment, including laboratory and pharmaceutical refrigerators and freezers, combines modern technology, precision, and attention to detail, making it indispensable in many industries, particularly in laboratories and pharmaceuticals. Paul Eco Laboratory Refrigerators ensure optimal storage conditions for sensitive samples, thanks to an advanced cooling system that allows maintaining temperatures lower than the ambient temperature. Equipped with Smart PRO microprocessor controllers, our refrigerators guarantee high temperature stability and uniformity, which is crucial for preserving the physico-chemical integrity of samples. A large color display and intuitive operation, even with gloves, make working with them simple and efficient. Our pharmaceutical refrigerators, with advanced microprocessor temperature controllers, provide precise control over the storage conditions of drugs and vaccines, minimizing the risk of overcooling or overheating. Thanks to built-in temperature sensors, the compressor activates only when necessary, which increases energy efficiency and storage stability. Our laboratory freezers, offering temperature ranges from 25 degrees C to 86 degrees C, are ideal for storing biotechnological samples and other materials requiring deep freezing. These models are equipped with modern Smart PRO controllers, ensuring full control over storage conditions. The freezers feature lockable doors, stainless steel racks with drawers, and backup batteries for the controller, ensuring reliability even in the event of a power failure. Paul Eco continuously strives for excellence, combining innovative technologies with the highest quality craftsmanship. Our cooling and freezing equipment is an indispensable tool in laboratories and pharmaceuticals, guaranteeing the safety and stability of stored samples.